If you're looking to enhance your online store's shopping experience, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be talking about applying gift cards not just to products, but also to taxes, shipping, and other charges. First, let's understand gift card application and taxation. By default, WooCommerce applies gift cards to the subtotal before calculating tax. This means that customers are only taxed on the remaining amount after the gift card is applied. For instance, if a product costs $100 without a gift card and the tax rate is 10%, then the customer pays $110. With a $200 gift card, however, the subtotal reduces to $0, and tax is calculated based on this reduced amount. Consequently, the customer ends up paying no tax. Now let's address why this matters. In several countries, customers are subject to taxation when purchasing a gift card. As such, they should not be subjected to additional taxes when using that same gift card for buying products from the same store. In such scenarios, sticking with WooCommerce's default configuration makes sense. Conversely, in other regions where taxes aren't levied on buying gift cards initially, if customers remain untaxed while using their gifted balance for purchases later on, it's actually the store owner who bears those incurred taxes. So what's our solution? Enter WebToffee WooCommerce Gift Cards plugin, which introduces an innovative feature, applying gift cards after tax. Here's how it works. Taxes are first computed for the total cart value before applying any available gift cards. With this setup in place, now your customers will pay due taxes even when utilizing their gifted balance towards their purchase. To enable the option, once the plugin is installed and activated, from the dashboard, navigate to Gift Card. Under Gift Card Settings, select the General tab and scroll down to Gift Card Usage Settings. Select Apply After Tax as Gift Card Application Settings. For example, if a product costs $100, the tax rate is 10%, and shipping charges of $10, first the tax and shipping are calculated and the total payable amount is $120. And on using a $200 gift card, the cart value is waived off. I don't know if you have noticed, but there is one more thing. Even after applying the gift card after tax, only the product subtotal is being waived off, not the taxes, shipping, or any other charges. If you want your customers to pay these additionally, you can keep the settings. Otherwise, you can extend gift card usage to shipping and other charges. To set this up, head back to the plugin. Under Apply After Tax, enable Apply on Tax, Shipping and Other Charges. The gift card will be applied to the entire payable amount, including taxes and shipping. Here's an example for clarity. If a product costs $100 and the tax rate is 10%, and shipping charges of $10, the total payable amount is $120. Now, when you apply for the gift card, the entire amount will be debited from the gift card. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.